Assets and liabilities are two fundamental concepts in finance, while love and relationships are crucial aspects of our personal lives. On the surface, these two topics may seem unrelated, but they share some interesting parallels that can help us understand each other better. In this essay, we will explore the similarities and differences between assets and liabilities and love and relationships. Assets and liabilities. Assets are the resources that a company or an individual owns and can use to generate income or value. Examples of assets include cash, investments, property, and equipment. Assets can be tangible, such as buildings or equipment, or intangible, such as patents, copyrights, or trademarks. The value of an asset is determined by its market value or its potential to generate future income. On the other hand, liabilities refer to the obligations or debts that a company or an individual owes to others. Examples of liabilities include loans, mortgages, accounts payable, and taxes owed. Liabilities can be classified as either short-term or long-term, depending on their maturity dates. Short-term liabilities are debts that are due within a year, while long-term liabilities are debts that are due after a year. The relationship between assets and liabilities is essential in financial management. The difference between the total value of assets and liabilities is called equity, which represents the net worth of a company or an individual. A positive equity means that the assets exceed the liabilities, while a negative equity means that the liabilities exceed the assets. Love and relationships. Love and relationships are complex and multifaceted aspects of human life. Love is an intense feeling of affection, attachment, and connection to another person, while a relationship is a connection between two or more people that involves emotional, social, and physical interactions. Relationships can be romantic, platonic, familial, or professional. The quality of a relationship depends on many factors such as communication, trust, mutual respect, shared interests, and compatibility. A healthy relationship is characterized by positive interactions, emotional support, and the ability to navigate conflicts and challenges together. In contrast, an unhealthy relationship is characterized by negative interactions, emotional abuse, and an inability to resolve conflicts and challenges constructively. The relationship between love and relationships. Just as assets and liabilities are interconnected in finance, love and relationships are interconnected in human life. The quality of a relationship can be seen as an asset or a liability, depending on its effects on our well-being and happiness. A healthy and loving relationship can enhance our physical and emotional health, increase our self-esteem, and provide us with a sense of purpose and belonging. In contrast, an unhealthy and toxic relationship can harm our mental and physical health, erode our self-esteem, and isolate us from our social network. Furthermore, love and relationships can also be seen as assets or liabilities in different stages of life. For example, in adolescence and early adulthood, love and relationships can be seen as assets that help us develop our identity, social skills, and emotional intelligence. In middle adulthood, love and relationships can be seen as both assets and liabilities, depending on our ability to balance our personal and professional lives and our willingness to adapt to changing circumstances. In late adulthood, love and relationships can be seen as valuable assets that provide us with social support, emotional fulfillment, and a sense of continuity and legacy. Moreover, love and relationships can also be seen as assets or liabilities in different contexts, such as cultural, social, and economic. For example, in some cultures, love and relationships are highly valued and celebrated, while in others, they are considered taboo or restricted by norms and traditions. In some social contexts, love and relationships are seen as a source of social capital, while in others they are viewed as a burden or a threat to social stability. In some economic contexts, love and relationships are seen as a marketable commodity,